Hey, what's up? I figured out how to find the beholder, and I found out some strategies to kill him, and then I killed him. And then this is just right after that. Now I'm back at this place that I said I wasn't gonna go to until after I beat the beholder. And then I beat him, obviously. You know, back here. Oh, holy crap! You need to chill out. Oh, I also got this weapon because I figured out this is like it's like a secret area with this weapon, and it's very powerful. Powerful little boy. Oh crap. Oh, I also got my stamina up by a lot. Because as you could tell from before, I obviously needed it. And if you couldn't, well, now you do know. Okay. Block. Dash. Okay, you need stab. Just die, you idiot. Dude, these guys are powerful, so I gotta get a key. Okay. I gotta get my stamina back up. Stamina is always a problem. I give you that tip of how to keep stamina, but I will never, I just don't use it for some reason. Because I keep forgetting to use it. Okay. Let's go. Block it. Stab it. Block. Stab. Block. Stab. Stab. Gotcha. Good job. Okay. What's this? Okay. Stab him. Nice. Didn't get hit once by that guy. No. Oh. Well, he's dead. Whoa, he got me. Or he didn't hit me yet, but he tricked me. Nice. Got him. Got him. I got him, dude. I friggin' got him. Come on. Come on, little buddy. Here, buddy. Idiot. Oh, crap. Oh, nice. I accidentally pressed Q and used my thing, my heal. Dude, chill out. No, chill out, bro. Chill. Dude, chill. You suck. Just, can you? You're making me angry. Okay. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh, you're so stupid. You're not even good at this game, Desmond. Block. Smack. What the heck? How did he do that? You know what? Screw you. Well, I was gonna say, well, screw you and then just walk away, but he decided that he probably should let me walk away. Oh, that was sick. Friggin' 360 no scope. Oh, my stamina was depleted there. Come on, buddy. Come on. I dare you. I was just kidding. And now you're dead. Get on here. Dang it. Stamina. Stamina, am I right, guys? No, I forgot to use my shield. I didn't think he would turn around, so I was just gonna go and attack him. Okay, so the thing with his shield is it bounces me back whenever I try and hit it. Got me. Grab me. You won't. Look, opening. Psych. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? You can trick them. You can trick them being like, oh, there's an opening. And it didn't work. Oh, there's an opening. Come on, come get it. Go get my butt. Not sure how he missed me right there. Can you? Okay, I've been fighting this one guy for way too long. And now you're cheating. You just went through the wall. Die, you idiot. No one likes you. Come at me. Come on. Come at me, please. Can you stop walking away? This is the guy that killed me last time. No, you're not killing me this time, punk. Actually, was it the guy that killed me last time? I don't think it was, now that I think about it. What the heck? Oh, that was close. Come at me. Oh, this guy doesn't have a shield. You're vulnerable, kid. And now you're dead. This is the guy that killed me. I'm not fighting him this time. I'm not stupid. I obviously can't defeat him. I probably could this time, but I don't really want to risk it for the biscuit. Oh, sick. I got some astral worms. Sick, dude. Dude, please don't. Please don't. Please don't. Please don't. Oh, thanks. Actually, you know what? No, I'm not gonna kill him. I said for him to stop, and he stops. He's a nice guy. What can I say? He knows when he's gone too far. He learned from his mistakes, and he stopped. That guy right there is true, cool dude. Oh, okay, I got this, I got this. Watch this. No, stop! Holy crap. It's pretty funny, I'm not gonna lie. What the heck? Shut up, no one likes you. Okay. You're dead, kid. You've crossed the line. You crossed the line with that one, dude. Okay, maybe I should stop. I don't think what's over there is worth it. No, something's over there, and it's definitely worth it. There we go. Got it. What is it? What is it? Oh, what the heck? A found chain. Okay, that sounds cool. Chain. I'm gonna try out the chain. If it's not as good, I'm gonna switch back. Oh, stop, please stop. I got one more chance at this, and I'm dead. How good is this chain? It better be good, because I wasted so much time trying to get it. Come at me, nerd. It's not even that good. Wow. Oh, also, I got some more astral feathers. I think that's what they're called. Right here, feathers. Astral feathers, yeah, I got 2 of them. This weapon's cooler, but it's still not more powerful. And I don't know if I'm gonna take it or not. Like, it's way cooler. It's a lot like the Star Whip. Wait, hold on, is this Star Whip? Wait, right here, Star Whip +1. Weird. I'm gonna stick with the harpoon, though. Come on. What? Chat? You know what? You're not worth it. You're not even worth. You're not even worth. Okay, dude. What? You're a hacker too. Okay, I see. I see how it is. Found. Oh. I'm so stupid. I thought the chain was called a found chain. It says I found a chain. Yeah, that makes sense. Not sure why I thought anything else besides that. You guys probably thought I was real stupid, didn't you? You're probably having a ball over there, didn't you? Weren't you? Come at me. Didn't you, weren't you? What? Dude, honestly, I can't even be mad. That was pretty awesome. Like, he hit me out of the sky. Oh, and then his teammate punched me from behind. I can't even be mad. That was pretty awesome. I can't be mad. I killed him anyway, so Astral Worm, nice. Tower Shield, nice, new shield. Holy crap. Epic! Wait, what else did I find? Oh yeah, worms, sorry. I'm gonna do my defense up. Also, it says there's magic in this game. When do I get magic? I want some friggin' magic, dude. Oof, stabbed. You done been stabbed, idiot. Crap. Let's see where I'm supposed to go. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. Chill, dude. Chill, chill, chill. I gotta let my stamina come back. Oh wait, when I'm blocking my stamina, when I'm blocking with this thing, my stamina goes down like way slower, or it goes up way slower. Okay, I'm not sure if I can really agree with something like that. Gotta let my stamina get up real quick before I go and fight him. Okay, let's go. Boom. You're stupid for not having a shield, pal. Dumb. His friend over there, on the other hand. That's a smart guy right there. Also, you're gonna get knocked off the edge. Okay, never mind. What? So I died from jumping too much over here. Jumped across and fell and died, right? Yeah. Do I have to go on that side? I don't think I have to go on that side. I can just go around. Uh-oh. Those guys are pretty stupid, the big dudes. Like, if they just sometimes they'll just not fight me. They'll just be like they'll see me, they'll chase me down for like a few seconds, and they'll be like, no thank you. Too much work. Not gonna chase the kid down. Chasing people is hard, I get it, man. Stab him! Okay, thank you. Yeah, this shield's gonna be a bit... I don't think I'm gonna use this shield. Hate me as much as you want in the comments, I don't care. I can't live with my stamina going down so friggin' slow. I want their shields. Their shields are awesome. Okay. Okay. Get over here. You need to chill. You need to take a chill pill. Pardon me, nerd. Shield armor. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna go get you over here, and then I think it's gonna be it. Yeah, okay. That's gonna be it for now. I got pretty good. I'll see you later, boyos.